This is the Pani Source Smart Water System. Water personalized. It's purified water, but better. Way better. Imagine the purest water possible. Yeah, like that. Using an advanced filtration system, the Pani Source gives you the purest water possible and then lets you personalize it, all thanks to these little compostable pods. Getting some exercise? The Sports Hydration Pod has electrolytes to help you rehydrate without all the added sugar. Trouble sleeping? The Rest and Relax Pod has melatonin to have you dreaming like you've always dreamed. Not feeling your best? The Immunity Pod is packed with echinacea, vitamin C, and zinc, so you can get back to business. And with our flavor pods, you can easily add a splash of fresh fruit flavor. There's a pod for just about everything. Well, not everything. The problem is, some purifiers strip out the good stuff along with the bad. And packaged water gives you a choice, but at a cost to your wallet and the environment. Pani uses activated carbon, ion exchange, and a sub-micron membrane to remove contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and microorganisms, but then remineralizes your water with a custom mineral profile to match the finest sources on Earth. Like this. Or this. Pani can also give you cold or hot water on demand at any specific temperature and amount. Coffee and tea drinkers? That one's for you. And with the Pani app, you have even more control. Mix multiple pods into one pour. Keep track of your filter status and mineral levels. And order more pods when you're running low. From filtration to remineralization to customization. This is water made personal. This is the Pani Source. Learn more at getpani.com.